Let's talk about communication. I used to ramble and I didn't even notice. It hurt my friendships, it hurt my dating, and it hurt my career. The turning point was when a colleague at work sat down with me and gave me this feedback. He told me how I ramble. I talk too fast and like no one else in the conversation exists. I make my point more than once. It's something brutal to hear, but I sensed he did it from a place of caring about me, so I took it well. Also, I immediately felt how true it was. Verbal and non-verbal communication is super important for all aspects of your life. It's how you present yourself to the world, and it largely determines what you get from it. Luckily, you communicate every day, multiple times a day, so there's plenty of opportunity for deliberate practice. What I did to get better was I refreshed my knowledge of the rules of good communication. I started deliberately practicing to do better in every interaction. I journal every day, and there I also keep track of how I communicated that day. I still have relapses and I don't dwell on my mistakes. The point is to keep my awareness of how I communicate high. A few weeks later, I asked for feedback and my colleague told me how much better I was doing, how I was able to hold the team's attention more, and how much better the interactions were. I recommend you go and try this. Deliberately practice. Be aware during conversation of how much you're talking. We don't want quantity, we want quality. Value the other person in the conversation. See them as the most important person in the interaction. Slow down your communication. Be concise. Watch and study great communicators. Record yourself telling a story or presenting from time to time and watch how you come across. You'll be amazed at the flaws you notice when you watch yourself on video. You communicate all the time, and how you do it determines the quality of your interactions and your life. The investments you make to get better at it will bring incredible payoffs, and you'll be glad you did it. That's it for this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want more videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.